Okay, everybody, welcome back once again to the channel. You know it is Gigi with you once again. First time here, and I'm going to say first time here. Let's see if I can do it right this time. I can't see. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video or live stream. I got to stop using my right. Okay, guys, we're just going to get into it. Today's video is something special. Because this monitor wasn't sent by a company, this is, how can I say this? It wasn't sent by a company, and it wasn't something I bought myself. How about that? This was sent by one of my loyal subscribers, Mr. Machine, who wanted to support the channel and give us something interesting to review. And trust me, interesting doesn't even begin to describe what showed up. According to Amazon's listing, and before we go on with that, and I just want to show you guys really quick the listing, because I'll leave a link in the description below to this listing. So let me go ahead and pull this listing up really quick. And I pulled it up too quick. There we go. So it was $259. It was $260, and then with tax, it would probably be about around $280 or something like that. I don't know. Mr. Machine picked it up. So I wanted to show you guys the listing. I'll make sure I leave the link in the description below. Let's go back to the main screen. Now we made it back to the main screen, guys, as you can see. So, like I said, that's according to Amazon's listing. This was supposed to be a CRUA 32-inch curved 4K 165 hertz monitor. The listing said 32 inches. The box said 32 inches. The label on the side said 32 inches. Oh, God. Everything about the packaging pointed to CRUA CR 3200C, which I have the box right here. And this says CR 3200. It says CR 320 QC. So this was actually supposed to be a 3200C. And that's their official 32-inch curved 4K model. So naturally, you expect a 32-inch monitor inside. But the moment I unboxed it, I felt something was off, guys. The proportions did not look right. So instead of measuring just the viewable screen, I measured the entire housing corner to corner, the actual physical footprint of the monitor. And that measurement came out to be 27.5 inches. Not the screen, not diagonal, the whole housing. There is no universe where a true 32-inch monitor has a 27.5 inch housing, even with thick bezels. A 32-inch display physically cannot fit into a chassis that small. So then I measured the box itself. The box said 30.25 inches long. And that is exactly the size of a typical 32-inch monitor box. So now we have a 30.25 inch, 32-inch box with a 27.5 inch housing inside, being sold as a 32-inch monitor, and none of this matches CRUA's official product lineup. None of it. I looked myself. None of it. And here's where things get even stranger. According to Amazon listing, this monitor was supposed to come with one DisplayPort cable. That's it. And the book. But inside the box, I found one DisplayPort cable and one HDMI cable and 4 random standoff screws that aren't mentioned anywhere in the manual. They gave me 4 standoff screws. I thought I was supposed to put it on the motherboard. So the manual doesn't explain them. The listing doesn't mention them. CRUA doesn't include them with any of their official models. This is exactly what happens when a monitor isn't packed on CRUA's retail line. This is warehouse packing. Yep. This is OEM packing. This is whatever's on the table going in the box packing. When you combine that with a 30.25 inch box, a 27.5 inch housing, and a panel that CRUA doesn't even advertise, the picture becomes clear. They didn't measure the monitor. They didn't measure the box. And believe it or not, this is not Mr. Machine's fault. Okay? This isn't on Mr. Machine. Because I looked at it. Oops, sorry. I hit the microphone. I looked at it. I thought it was a good deal. Mr. Machine looked at it. We both looked at it, thought it was a good deal, like any normal buyer would do, any normal consumer would do. This is a system problem. Budget monitor factories reuse everything. Same chassis, same foam, same boxes, same packing lines. If it's a 27.5 inch panel, fits in a 32 inch housing, they'll build it. If that housing fits a 32 inch foam, they'll ship it. And when it lands in the warehouse, most sellers don't open the box or verify the panel. They just trust the packaging and list it whatever the box says. Here's the twist. The monitor actually works. It's real 4K. It hits the refresh rate. It's curved. It looks good, believe it or not. But it is absolutely not the product the box claim it is, which I did a thumbnail on it and I posted it, for this video. This is the kind of thing Amazon's ecosystem allows to slip through the cracks, and it's exactly why videos like this matter. So here's my stance, guys. If CRUA wants to make this right and show they stand behind their brand, they have a clear opportunity to send the channel the actual 32 inch 4K monitor this box claims to be. And I'll review it fairly. I will. I'll review it fairly. But if they don't, that's fine. The story still gets told. Because buyers deserve to know how often the product in the box doesn't match the product on the page. This isn't a rage video. This isn't a hit piece. This is transparency. Bottom line. So let's take a closer look at this mystery monitor. And I've already tested it out on the 4K panel. It does good. Now, we can talk about why Amazon and manufacturers need to tighten up their quality control, because this monitor shouldn't exist. But here it is. And once again, huge thanks to Mr. Machine for sending this in. You didn't do anything wrong, brother. You helped uncover something wild. You helped uncover to the consumers so that they know what they're going to be actually buying if they go to buy these types of monitors. Now, is it a knockoff or is it a real deal? It's a real deal box, because I got the box right here next to me. CRUA. This looks exactly like the boxes you guys own. These look like exactly like the boxes that you own. So if it's a knockoff, then you need to find out who's buying and selling these, because obviously the listing's wrong on this monitor. Because if I looked right at the listing on your website, a 32 inch monitor would be over $600, not $259. I don't know. Everybody going to say, well, Jay, why are you complaining about it? You got a monitor that's for $259 and it's a 4K. And, it's not the point. The point is this. Consumer pays for what they pay for. if it's a 32-inch monitor, it better be 32 inches. I had the same problem too with Walmart. I thought I got a 36-inch monitor or 36-inch smart TV. Turn around, it was 27 inches. And I didn't even think of it. 2 years later, didn't even think of it. So I got a Walmart TV like that, and I get something from Amazon like that. How long has this been going on? Longer than 2 years, maybe? Because I can already tell you it is. And I'm not crazy because I know what I paid for. I mean, when the box tells you 32 inches, people, and you're getting 27.5 inches, I mean, hell, it says it right here on the box. Here, I'll point it. It says right here, 32 inches. If you can't read it, it says it right there. Ooh, my bad. It says 32 inches. This is not Mr. Machine's fault. This is the company selling this garbage. I didn't mean it as garbage. It still runs good. But the thing is, it's not what he paid for this channel to review. Now, move that out of the way. I'm giving an honest review of this monitor. I've already tested on Cyberpunk. It does real good. I've already tested on Hogwarts Legacy. It does real good. It's very crisp and clear. But all the buttons underneath to set the monitor up, you guys should have sent it with a remote control to set up all the stuff on this monitor. One last thing about this monitor, and we'll wrap this up. The speakers on this monitor, I'm not going to recommend using those. They're not loud. I mean, these right here, these earpieces right here are 50 times louder than what's coming out of this monitor. 50 times louder. 50 times louder. So, is it something I would recommend to somebody? This type of monitor? No, I'm not going to recommend it. The reason why I'm not going to recommend it is because I don't want people to go and buy this monstrosity, because this is not CRUA and this is not what they sell. To me, I have a feeling this is a knockoff. This is a cheap knockoff that somebody threw together in their basement, putting CRUA's tags on there, and try to sell it out of China. Simple as that. So, but like I said, if CRUA wants to make it good, then they can send me a monitor to review. There's nowhere near that this has here. So, like I said, guys, watch what you buy. Be careful. And I'm going to thank Mr. Machine again for sending this product. And also, too, I'm going to recommend that he was thinking about getting one for himself. I would not recommend that. So, I'm not complaining about the product. I'm complaining about the size of the product. They didn't sell the man what he paid for. He paid for that at that price, being 32 inches, not 27.5 inches. So, I'll leave a link in the description of where me and Mr. Machine looked at, and hopefully it's the same listing. If not, it's about the same one, shows the same stuff. So, watch out for the knockoffs. Watch out for people trying to cheese you out of your money. Okay, I thought it was a good deal. He was doing me and the channel a favor by helping us out because he knew my other monitor was going to go up in smoke. But he wanted me to test this out. He wanted me to give an honest review. So that way, if he decides he wants to get one, then he's going to pick one up. Honest review. I think the backlighting too is a little too loud. Way too loud. And if you go down and turn down the brightness, it kind of makes the picture, it just doesn't look right on the picture. So, but if I leave it just the way it is right now, set at factory, it's not too bad. But the blacks and the whites just don't mix. It's not an OLED. It's not an OLED. So, but anyway, guys, you can go read the rest about what this monitor is about, but I'm going to tell you, I'm not recommending it. Now, if CRUA wants to send me a good monitor, they can. More than happy. They got my email address. They can find it on my main page of my YouTube. All they have to do is go to my main page of my YouTube, hit the link for my email address, and email me. And we'll talk. But anyway, that's my review for today on this CRUA monitor. Supposing 32-inch. Got 27.5. Yeah, just the width. Didn't do the height. You know what? Hell with it. I'll do the height really quick. It is 16.5 inches. The shell diameter, not the screen diameter, the shell diameter. And it's got a 1/2-inch shell casing around the screen. So you do your math. But anyway, guys, we're going to get out of here. I just wanted to drop this video really quick for you. And if it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button. Hit that like button. Don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video or live stream. Until the next time and the next video, you know what it is. We'll see you on the next one.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.